First of all, the big thing is with using auto steer is to minimize or reduce your overlaps when you work. So when you drive in one direction in your field, you turn around and you come back. You want those adjacent swaths to be as close as possible to each other, um, so that you don't double apply fertilizer, double apply seeding. Um, then obviously the other benefit is fuel and time saving. On average, you're looking probably at saving 1 to 2 hours per hectare when you work, and that
Right.
equates to about 10% in fuel saving. Obviously, by using this technology, your yields is more uniform. You get up to 5 to 15% increase in yield
Wow.
of your crop. Obviously, not only because of the GPS technology, but well, not only for the steering side, but also when you apply your fertilizer, which is a big part of this technology, is that you can apply your fertilizer at the right amount according to what the soil needs. So once you've done your soil analysis in your field, your fertilizer um, representative can tell you, right, this in this area of the field you need so much fertilizer, and in that area you need so much. So by applying the right amount of fertilizer where it's needed in the soil is a huge saving, and obviously gives you, like I said, uniform yields as well. Yeah.